And good morning, math wizards of Virtual Room 502. Good to see you all this morning, even though it's just virtually. Rather have you in class, but it's not the way it is right now. So, got to do what we got to do, third graders. All right, we got Eureka Math, Grade 3, Module 4, Lesson 9. I hope you did well on your part of your mid-module assessment. Today's objective is to analyze different rectangles and reason about their area. Reason. When you reason, you do this. I'm reasoning. But first, the fluency practice. That's to decompose the multiplication equation. We're doing a lot of decomposing. This video is going to last about 4 minutes. Checking my time now. And let's get started. You are indeed for this fluency practice, and I haven't done this in a while. I really got to get my cat stamp. I'm so upset I lost it. But you are copycats, so get out your whiteboard and marker or scratch paper and pencil. Let's get started with 8 times 6. We've been working a lot with sixes, haven't we? Well, 8 times 6 equals something. What does it equal? Let's say if we equal 5 plus blank times 6. Well, what equals 8 in the 5 plus? Well, as I recall, it's 6, 7, 8, isn't it? But let's not quite go there yet, okay? Let's do this instead. We're going to shift things around a bit, because we know that's probably 3. Well, let's shift it around and go, equals, we're going to go 5 times 6, because multiplying by 5 is much easier than multiplying by other numbers, if you ask me. And we're going to add on the 6, so it'd be 3 times 6. Get the hang of it, because we're going to put a 3 here. So now we have 5 times 6 and 3 times 6, and we have them in parentheses. So 5 times 6, let's count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Stop. It's 30. And I like to go like this. So does math. 3 times 6. You want to count by 3s? Let's do it. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. And there we have it. Look at that. 30 plus 18, we know the answer to that, right? 30 plus 10 is 40, and 40 plus 8 would be 48. So 8 times 6 equals 48, and we've decomposed that quite nicely. Let's try another one. Shall we? I think we shall. 7 times 6 equals, let's work with those 5s again. 5 plus a number times 6. Well, what number equals 7 and 5? Well, 5 plus 2, 5, 6, 7. You got it. So there we have it. But then we're going to shift things around, and we're going to do the 5 times 6, right? Yes, we are. 5 times 6 plus 2 times 6. All right, 5 times 6, we already know the answer to that, don't we, from our previous problem. It's going to equal 30. And we're going to add on 2 times 6. We can count by 2s, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And we get 30 plus 12. Well, 30 plus 10 is 40. Add on the 2. We get 42. So 7 times 6 does indeed equal 42. Let's keep it rolling. I think we got time for one more. Just one more. And we're going to do 6 times 6 equals what? Well, it's going to equal 5 plus a number times 6. Okay, what's that number is going to go there to make the 6? Well, we know that by now. It'll be 5 plus 1. Let's move things around and do 5 times 6, because we know that, plus 1 times 6. Well, we know that 5 times 6 equals what? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Stop. Plus 1 times 6. Well, when you multiply 1, any number by 1, it remains the same. We get 30 plus 6, and our answer is 36. So 6 times 6 is indeed 36. Okay, that concludes our fluency practice in a rather rapid and crazy manner. Getting ready for the application problem. We call it an application problem because, well, it's something that you could apply to your everyday life. Maybe. If you like covering paper with square inch rectangles, the application problem is for you. All right, we'll see you in a little bit. Take a little break, go to the bathroom, go get a bite to eat, tell mom and dad you love them, feed the dog, pet the cat. Make sure baby brother and baby sister are on the computer in their class, and then come on back. But don't make it a long break because we don't have much time. We only have a half hour, right? While I'm with the fourth graders in person. So, take a 2-3 minute break and then come on back and watch the application problem.